family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selinazinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, I'll be showing you a very simple but effective growth oil treatment that you can use for 4 weeks, and within that time, you will notice a big difference in your hair health and your hair growth. This oil also consists of ingredients that will block DHT. If you love to see exactly all what I put together, then please keep on watching. I would really appreciate it if you can please give this video a thumbs up. It will really help my channel in the YouTube algorithm. So let's just jump right into the video. Our first ingredient is our sliced carrots. Carrots are packed with various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as vitamin B6, K, potassium, phosphorus. Carrot oil can help to grow your hair faster and thicker. Conditioning the hair with carrot is also said to improve hair texture, making it shinier, smoother, and softer. Carrot oil also helps to prevent hair fall and hair loss by making the roots stronger at the scalp. Carrot oil is also rich in vitamin C and A, which will make your hair stronger, longer, and thicker. Carrot help in improving blood circulation, which will give your hair the health it needs to prevent the growth of gray hair. Carrot also protects the hair and scalp from pollution and harmful UV rays of the sunlight. I will be using 3 cups of carrots because I also plan to give some of this oil out to my regular customers. Our next powerful ingredient is our tool-ripe avocado. Avocado is a great source of biotin. Adding this big complex vitamin into your hair helps to grow it more healthy and stronger. A study that was done in 2015 found that minerals in avocado, including potassium and magnesium, may seal cuticle cells, which can also improve hair by making it smoother, shinier, and also prevent it from breaking. The vitamins, proteins, and fats in avocado help to reverse the damage and stimulate healthy hair growth. Apart from all of those wonderful claims, avocado also moisturizes your hair. I am a big fan of using fresh aloe vera on my girls and myself hair. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. 3 of these vitamins contribute to cells turnover, promoting healthy cells growth and shining hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Bulldog root contains all the necessary amino acids from building protein that creates our hair. Bulldog root also contains vitamin A, which can help nourish the scalp and strengthen hair. In addition to promoting hair growth, bulldog root also help with scalp irritation issues, such as dandruff and itchy scalp. This is all of our amazing natural ingredients together. I'm now just gonna go in with the olive oil. Some research shows that olive oil can have major moisturizing effects on our hair. Olive oil could also add softness and strengthen our hair because it penetrates the hair shaft and preserving moisture. The shine that comes from olive oil is said to be smoothing the outer layer of our hair cuticles. Our treatment been infusing on the stove on very low heat for over 10 hours now. It is ready. I just turned the flame off. I'm going to leave this, let it just cool down, and then after we will strain it and add the rest of the ingredients. I left our oil just for a day for it to cool down and also further infuse in all of our ingredients. I'm now just going to strain it and transfer it into our bottles, and then I will start to add the rest of the ingredients to it. I already sprayed all of our bottles down with rubbing alcohol. I just got my sifter to be able to transfer the oil into the bottle easily. I made a previous batch of this oil using carrots and it came out very bright color, which can also transfer on your clothes. That is why I decided to use the sliced carrots this time because I plan on using this oil as a leave-in treatment. I will also leave all of those videos down in the description box for you. This is not my first time using carrots on my hair and my kids' hair, so I know definitely that it works. In total, I got 18 and a half 4-ounce butter from our oil treatment. I'm now just gonna go in with our various ingredient. The first thing I will be using is our peach and powder. To use half of this tiny spoon for each butter. Peach and powder support healthy hair growth and improve the condition of hair by blocking DHT. It also stimulates circulation to the scalp, which helps oxygen and vital nutrients reach hair roots and hair follicles. Our next amazing DHT blocker powder we will be using is our saw palmetto powder. So I'm also just going to add like half a teaspoon to each bottle of our oil. Saw palmetto powder stop the imbalance of hormones that stands in the way of growth. This herb is similar to stinking nettle for stopping hair loss and improving growth. It also controls the overproduction of DHT. This powder also inhibits the binding of DHT action and promoting the breakdown of the potent content. Our next powder we will be using is our biotin powder. I'm also just using half a teaspoon of it, and I make sure I wash the teaspoon each time I use a powder. Biotin can help your hair to grow stronger and even thicker. The primary benefit of biotin for hair is that it allows stronger and healthy hair growth. Stronger hair is less likely to break off at the ends, promoting and protecting length. You can also get biotin naturally through the food that we eat, such as red meat, eggs, nuts, seeds, and some vegetables. Last herb we will be adding in is our dry hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower can promote the growth of thicker and stronger hair. It prevents split ends, controls dandruff, and massively reduces hair fall. We are now going in with our essential oils. The first oil I will be using is my peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil can cause a cool, tinkling feeling when it is increasing circulation to the area it's applied to. This can help promote hair growth during the anagen or the growing phase. One study shows that peppermint oil increases the number of follicles and overall hair growth. Our last oil is our rosemary essential oil. If you are familiar with my channel, then you know very well how much I love rosemary oil. I'm also just going in with 5 drops. Rosemary oil improves both thickness and hair growth. It is a great choice thanks to its ability to improve cellular generation. According to a study done on rosemary oil, it performed as well as minoxidil, which is a very common hair growth treatment. People with DHT related hair loss issues should really look into using rosemary oil for at least 3 to 6 months. Just make sure that you dilute it first. Our powerful and amazing growth oil is ready. I'm now just going to clean the top of the bottles and then I will cover it up, give it a good shake, and it will be ready to use. Also made extra so I can give it away free of charge to my customer. So whoever that purchased my growth for, I don't want to pay for shipping, and this is only for US based customer. I'm so sorry for that. I will also be surprising you guys with one bottle of my carrot growth oil. Now this is first come first serve because I don't have enough. As you guys can see, it's only 17 bottles I'm going to be giving away. So in case you open your package and you see an extra growth oil from selinazinchuk, then you know that you are one of the lucky 17 people. So if you decide to give this oil a try, if you decide to make it yourself, let me know how it worked for you. To use this oil, please make sure that you shake it well so that you can have all the ingredients mixed together before you can use it. You can either use it as a pre-put treatment, as a leave-in treatment. That is why I did not grate the carrot oil, because if I was going to blend it, it was going to have really bright orange color, and that can also transfer on your pillow. That is why I made this oil the way in which I made it. So this can also be used as a leave-in treatment. You can use it as your hot oil treatment. You can use it as your pre-put treatment, and you can use it as your growth oil. This oil will help to block DHT, which is the hormone responsible for our hair loss issues. It will also help to regrow your edges. Now, if you don't have access to my S Secrets growth oil that have 21 natural ingredients, you can give any of my other DIY growth oil a try, including this one. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.